The Filipino antonyms tama, which is correct in English, and mali, which is wrong. Tama, mali. Tama, mali. Ang tamang sagot ay nasa aklat. The right answer is in the book. Tama is correct, sagot is an answer, nasa is in, and then aklat is a book. Ang tamang sagot ay nasa aklat. May mali sa pagkakahabi ng tela. There is a flaw in the weaving of the fabric. May is like there is or there are. Mali is wrong or a flaw. Pagkakahabi, habi is like weaving of the fabric. A tela is a fabric. May mali sa pagkakahabi ng tela. Tama ang aking pag-aalinlangan. My doubt was justified or my doubt was correct. Tama is correct. Akin is my or mine. Pag-aalinlangan, alinlangan is it's a doubt. Tama ang aking pag-aalinlangan. Hindi ba mali ang gumawa ng ingay? Isn't it wrong to make noise? Hindi means not. Mali is wrong. Gumawa, gawa is like do or to make. And then ingay is the noise. Hindi ba mali ang gumawa ng ingay? And that is all for our Filipino antonyms. Tama, which is correct in English, and mali, which is wrong. Tama, mali. Tama, mali.